So in yesterday's class, we are discussing about ellipse. Isn't it? We are forming the equation of ellipse when the focus or vertices are given. Okay, recall the equations of the ellipse. Aditya Satyan. Aditya Satyan. Can you give the standard equation of ellipse? Equation of ellipse.
X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1.
Yes.
X square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1.
The two equations are x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. In that case, the major axis is the x-axis and the minor axis is the y-axis. Okay, and the second case, x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Their major axis is y-axis and the minor axis is x-axis. Okay, now let's do problems based on this. Write the question. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse if length of major axis. Find the equation of the ellipse if length of major axis. Length of the major axis is 26. Length of the major axis is 26 and the foci is plus or minus 5, 0. Length of the major axis. Length of the major axis is 26. And the focus is given as plus or minus 5, 0. What is the length of major axis? Length of major axis will be denoted as, yes, Punya, length of major axis is 2a. So 2a is 26. So what is a? A is 30. Isn't it? Now here focus is given. Look at the focus. Focus is given as plus or minus 5, 0. So can you tell the standard equation here? What is the standard equation?
By square plus y square by b square equal to 1.
Yes, sir. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 because y coordinate is 0. So x-axis is the major axis. So the equation of the ellipse will be, the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So here a we got, b we have to find. Instead of b, what is given here? Focus is given, isn't it? For C, it is given as plus or minus 5, 0. So that is, foci means it is same as plus or minus C, 0. So you'll get C. What is C here? 5. So C is 5. Can you find out what is B? What is the formula connecting A, B and C?
C square equal
Yes,
to a
yes,
square
Archana.
minus b square.
C square is equal to A square minus B square. From here, find out what is C. From here, okay, find out what is B. So B square is A square minus C square. So what is B? What is the value of B?
$12.
B is 12. B is 12 or root 12? B square is 12. Okay, B is 12. Okay, 13 square minus 25. So what is the equation, Aishwarya? What is the equation of the ellipse?
X square by 169 plus y square by 144 is equal to 1.
Are you getting this answer? Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it okay, Michael? Emmanuel? Okay, Emmanuel,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you give the equation of ellipse?
X square by 169 plus y square by 144 equal to 1.
Okay. Write the next one. Write the next question. Length of minor axis is 16. Length of minor axis is equal to 16. Length of minor axis is 16 and foci is 0, plus or minus 6. Foci is 0, plus or minus 6. Foci is 0, plus or minus 6. Focus is on y-axis, isn't it? If the focus is on y-axis, now read. What will be the standard equation you will get? What is the equation of the ellipse? Now read.
X square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1.
We got I squared by a squared is equal to 1. The length of minor axis is given, isn't it? Length of minor axis means it is 2b is given. So from here b is 8. Find out a substitute. Okay, similar to the previous one. Srihari, what is the value of A, Srihari? A is 6. Rijas. Rijas.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value of A, Rijas?
A 10.
A is 10. So what is the equation of the ellipse? Aditya S. Raj.
Ma'am, x square by 36 plus y square by 100 equal to 1.
Square by 36 plus y square by 100 equal to 1. Is it correct? Punya?
No, ma'am.
What is the answer you got?
X square by 28 plus y square by 8 is equal.
What is the value of B?
Ma'am, I think A is wrong.
Ma'am, it
Length
should
of
have been 8, not 36.
B is 8, isn't it? So what is B square? Will it be 64? Is that no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that no? B square, B is given here. Length of minor axis means 2B is 16. So from here B is 8. So what is b square? 8 square. So we'll get 64. Is or no? Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here it is 64. So a square is b square plus c square. So 64 plus 36 will get there 100. So this is c, isn't it? Focus means it is 0, comma plus or minus c. C value is 6. Atul, what is the answer you got, Atul?
X square by 64 plus y square by 100 is equal to 1.
Okay. Next one. Write the next one. Write the next one. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse with major axis on x-axis. Find the equation of the ellipse with major axis on x-axis and passes through the points. And passes through the points 4, 3 and 6, 2. And passes through the point 4, 3 and 6, 2. Find the equation of the ellipse with the major axis. So it is given major axis is x-axis. And this one passes through the point. It is passing through the point. Passes through 4, 3 and 6, 2. 4, 3 and 6, 2. We are asked to find the equation of the ellipse. So major axis is x-axis. So what will be the equation of the ellipse? What is the equation of the ellipse? Major axis is
X
x-axis.
square minus a square plus y square minus b square.
Equal to 1, isn't it? Now it is given, it is passing through the point 4, 3. Now listen children, it's again a different question. It passes through 4, 3. So it passes through the point 4, 3. So substitute, you can substitute x as 4 and y is 3. So we'll get 16 by a square plus 9 by b square is 1. This is the first equation. Okay, I'm taking this as Roman letter 1. Again, one more point is given. It is passing through. Okay, this is a different question. We are given with, instead of giving the focus, vertex and all, it is given the points. Okay, points are given through which the ellipse is passed. Here the ellipse is passing through the point 6, 2. So when you substitute it here, 6 square by 30. Okay, 6 square by a square. So that is 36 by a square plus 4 by b squared is equal to 1. This is Roman letter 2. Now, we have two equations in two unknowns. We have two equations in two unknowns. We have to solve these two equations and we have to find what is A and B. After finding A and B, you can write the equation of the ellipse. Okay, this type we have learned in 10th standard, linear equations to the reducible form. Okay, the unknowns are A and B. The unknowns are A and B. So we can put, to solve this equation, what you can do? Put 1 by a square as u and 1 by b square as b. Therefore, the equation 1 will become, so the equation 1 becomes 16u plus 9v is equal to 1. Similarly, this equation 2 will become 36u plus 4v is equal to 1. Okay, I name this as number 1 and number 2. Okay, we can use elimination method. We can use elimination method, solve this and find out what is u and what is v. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate v. So the first equation I'm going to multiply by 4. First one into 4. So we'll get 16 into 4 is 64. Is it correct? 16 into 4 is 64u plus 36v is equal to 4. Second equation you multiply by 9. So what is 36 into 9? 36 into 9. Is it okay up to this? Is it clear, children? We are getting two equations where a square and b square are unknown to find. In order to find this a square and b square, we are substituting that 1 by a square as u and 1 by b square as v. So we'll get 16u plus 9v as 1 as equation 1 and 36u plus 4v is equal to 1, that is equation 2. We are using elimination method. So now we want to eliminate v. So we should make the coefficients of v same. So we are cross multiplying these two. Okay, we multiply the equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 9. So what is 36 into 9? Atul?
324.
324 u plus 36b is 9, isn't it? On subtracting, what you will get? Make to subtract. After subtracting, what is the answer? You get. What is the value of u? (324). From 324, if you subtract 64, what do you get? Yes, Gayatri. Gayatri. What is u?
1 by 32.
1 by 32. 1 by 32. U is 1 by 32. Is it correct, Naureen? U is it 1 by 32?
I got 1 by 52.
52.
No, ma'am, it's not right.
Aryan. So when you subtract this, what is 324 minus 64?
Minus 260.
Minus 260 u is equal to minus 5, isn't it? So u will be 5 by 260. So what is it?
1 by 50.
1 by 52. Isn't it? So u is 1 by 52. If u is 1 by 52, substitute in any one of this equation and find out what is v. Substitute in equation 1. U is 1 by 52. So 16 by 52 plus 9v is equal to 1. So this 9v, 1 minus 16 by 52. So which is 52 minus 16 by 52. Simplify this, cut short it and find out what is v. Find what is v. Nia, what is the value of v, Nia?
It's 2 by 27.
2 by 27. 2 by 27. Gauri, what is the answer you got for V?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Doing. Nia, check your answer. Yes. Okay, this 2 by 27 you will not get. Check it. Muhammad Adi, what is the answer you got for Muhammad Adi? What is the value of V?
I'm doing.
Doing.
1 by 30.
V is 1 by 13. V is 1 by 13. Achyut, what is the answer you got for V?
1 by 13, ma'am.
1 by 13. Okay. So V is 1 by 13. Okay, so after finding U and V, okay, U is same as 1 by A square, isn't it? It is 1 by 52. And B is 1 by B square, which is 1 by 13. So what is the equation of ellipse? The equation of the ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B squared is equal to 1. So that is x square by 52 plus y square by 13 is 1. Is it correct? Okay. So this is the equation of the ellipse. X square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1. Okay, listen children, once again I'll explain this. It's a different one. So what is given? The major axis it is given as x-axis and the ellipse passes through the point 4, 3 and 6, 2. Ellipse passes through the point 4, 3 and 6, 2. And the major axis is given as x-axis. So if the major axis is x-axis, equation of the ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square is 1. Where A and B are the unknowns. We want to find this A and B. Now it is given, it passes through the point 4, 3. So if it passes through the point 4, 3, substitute for x and y. So we'll get 16 by A square plus 9 by B square is 1. One more point is given. It passes through the point 6, 2. When you substitute that point, you'll get the second equation. 36 A square plus 4 by B square is equal to 1. So in these two equations, we have two unknowns A square and B square. So we are taking 1 by A square as U and 1 by B square as V. So we get two linear equations. We are solving that two equations by elimination method. Okay, and then we are finding what is U and what is V. So U is 1 by 52 and V is 1 by 13. Once we get this value U and V, from there we can write down what is 1 by A square, 1 by B square. From there, what is the equation? Equation of the ellipse is x square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more question we can try in this method. Write down. Write down. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse with center at 0, 0. With the center at 0, 0. Major axis is y-axis. Major axis is y-axis. Major axis is y-axis. And passing through the point. And passes through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. passes through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. So major axis is y-axis. So what will be the equation of ellipse? Major axis is y-axis. So the
X
equation
square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1.
equal to 1. Okay. Now this is similar to the previous one, isn't it? It passes through the point 3, 2. It passes through 3, 2. So you can substitute for x and y, isn't it? You substitute this, you'll get 9 by b square plus 4 by a square is 1. This is equation 1. Again, it is given, it passes through the another point. It passes through the point 1, 6. So you get 1 by b square plus 36 by a square is 1. This is from a letter 2. Again, you use elimination method, solve it and find out what is a and b. Find what is a and b. Okay, do it. Shubham, I hope you are doing that one, isn't it? Are you getting the answer? Are you able to solve that one? Can you give the equation? So you put 1 by a square as u and 1 by v square as v, isn't it? You substitute like this. You'll get two linear equations in terms of u and v. You get two linear equations in terms of u and v. Solve that two equations by either by elimination or substitution. Find out what is 1 by a square and what is 1 by b square.
Ma'am, x square by 10 plus y square by 40 equal to 1.
40 is 1. Is it correct? What about the others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, it is correct. I think Aparna, you gave the answer, isn't it? Is it Aparna?
No, ma'am.
And then who gave the answer? Is it Aishwarya?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, Aditya.
Aditya.
Aditya sir. Very good. X square by 100 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1. Okay, that is your answer. So with this, ellipse section is over. In the next class, we will start with the last type of the cone, that is
Ma'am.
hyperbola. Yes.
Ma'am, can you like tell the answer again?
This x square by 10 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, end the session now. Thank you.